everyone, welcome back. We're in my kitchen today. With the weather having turned cold, I've been thinking about the birds, so I thought I'd have a go at trying to make some Fatballs. I bought some mixed bird seeds and I've chopped up some peanuts and I've added it to some lard and mix it all together. And I'm hoping just to be able to mould them into round balls. I had a go at making some round balls, but I soon found out that they won't hold their shape. They're nothing like the ones that you buy from the shop. So I found some old coffee jar lids and I decided to use them and fill them up. I know you can use coconut shells, but I do not have any coconut shells, so I thought this was next best thing. This kitchen cabinet is a Coussac style of cabinet, which was very popular in the US in the 1920s. This is a British version and it's the brand is Newark, but the style is exactly the same. This was a gift my grandmother had when she got married and I absolutely love it. Hi everyone, this is what I'm working on at the moment. It is a nice little bedroom chair, but it is, well, at least the fabric is very tired, so it needs recovering. And I might give the wood a little bit of a touch up. But apart from that, the seat is pretty good. And the back as well is all right. Just needs a new cover. So first step is to get these hundreds of nails out. On y va, as they say. That got under there. Oh, that's what I gotta do. This chair is going to move all over the place. Oops. These are really rusted as well, so they can't be reused. I have removed the seat cover. It was absolutely just so brittle, it was just tears like that. It has meant that trying to get the whole of the fabric off has been actually a bit of a pain. And it's still a pain because I got all the, I mean, that's just all the nails that were just around the seat. I've still got the back to do. This chair's got either very damp or has got wet. So everything is very rusty. So I've got the nails out and now I've got all the staples to get out. But because the fabric was so rotten, it is actually very, very difficult to get the staples out. Now, I've had a chat with the owner of the chair and I've asked her, you know, what she wants to do. Is she happy for me to leave this in as it is and then just cover it? Or would she like me to spend another few hours trying to get all these out? Now, I would prefer to get everything out because then I know that when I put the cover on, it will be lovely and smooth. But cost is a bit of an issue with this one, so the customer doesn't want to have to spend too much. So I've assured her that when I do put the real fabric over top, you shouldn't really be able to see any of what's left there. So I really have to make sure. It's just not quite as smooth as I would like it to be, but I do believe I can get it to look pretty good without her having to spend, you know, too much on it. It's unfortunate. I would much prefer to have a nice clean surface to finish, you know, to put the new fabric on. But like I said, it's taken me 2 hours just to get to this stage. That as well. So I think to keep costs down, if I can just take off all the little threads that are hanging down and make sure that nothing pops from underneath the new fabric, we should be able to manage this. Just not the ideal way, but in this situation, I think it's going to be fine because, as you can tell, it's everywhere. Foam. So you scratch the wood doing that. So this is where I'm at with the chair. The back's now out and it came out really well. There's still a few staples left behind, but that's no problem. So it's pretty much ready to get using the new fabric, which I shall do in the next day or two. This afternoon I am off to a meeting with a bride to have a chat about her wedding dress. It's in a small town not too far away, about 30 minutes drive away, called Yrieix la Perche. my little rendezvous with the customer went very well. We have decided on the design, the fabric, pretty much everything. It's yeah, it's all full speed ahead. That's what we should say. Yeah, full speed ahead. The wedding is in June, so I've got well, it'll go quick enough. Everything, all the information that we've been discussing and sending messages to, chatting about different styles that she likes and the fabrics and everything. So I've bought her today the design for her to look at based on all the different photos that she sent me of things that she likes and doesn't like. So I've put together a design for her. We're going to change the skirt a little bit because she's found another photograph of a skirt that she really did like, and it's going to be no problem at all to customize the design to add a slightly different skirt. Fabric wise, I bought her some samples to look at and she really loves one of them, so that's great. So that'll make it so much easier that I know exactly what sort of fabric I'm working with, and she's very happy with it as well. Basically, next step is for me to make a sample piece just out of a random piece of fabric, just so that we can see how the style suits her. We're both pretty certain that the style will work on her figure, but making a sample will be the best step forward, and then we can do any tweaking. You know, we can get the length. If the length is a little bit too short, now is the time to add to the pattern. So probably in about a month's time, I'll get together with her again and we'll have a first fitting using a sample, and then we'll take it from there. So yeah, successful day, all good. Whilst I am in town, I am here at Lidl. I'm going to go and pop in and do some shopping. Then I've got to stop off at the vet's on the way home. And yeah, that's my day. So all good, all good. Right, let's go. It is now going to be rush hour, rural France style. Oh, hang on, here's a car behind me. The sun is very low and actually very blinding. I feel like I've forgotten something. I'm not sure what I have forgotten, but I feel like I've forgotten something. I need to go Pierre Buffiere, 25 kilometres. And I need to get there before the sun's gone, otherwise the roads are going to get frosty again. They were very, very frosty this morning. Right, just got to the vet's. I took a slightly longer road there than I had anticipated, but anyway, and now my camera is about to run out of battery, so I'm just going to run into the vet's, get the medicine for Nelly, and then head home. But I'll have to turn this off because it's going to die on me. So see you later, bye! for a little walk here. Now this morning I'm on the lookout for a piece of steel that I know exists, but I don't know where it's gone. I think it's in here. Is it under all that? Sheds that is actually almost completely empty. This is the other place it could be. Underneath all that. Next up. Right, let's go in here. I doubt it's in here. But you never know. I have just spotted it. I am so pleased. It is right at the back. Where is it? Down there. That metal thing there. A little bit manky there. That is going to be perfect. Yeah, that's going to be perfect for Nick to put on the bread oven.